Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and today I'm coming to you with my new online scrapbooking class that I'm going to offer. How I'm going to do this, I'm just going to get my little notes here and kind of look at it, is the kit is going to be $15. For $15 that will include shipping to you. What it does not include is it will not include the 12 by 12 sheet of paper that I do the layout on. No, I do 12 by 12. There's a couple reasons why I'm not including the background piece. One, some people don't, not everybody scraps 12 by 12. Some people scrap with 8.5 by 11, and other people scrap with 6 by 6 or 8 by 8. And all the things that I do can be adjusted and be modified to fit the smaller ones. Two, the shipping to send a 12 by 12 page is crazy. So for me to keep my price down, to give you good quality, and to offer it for the $15 price, then I'm not going to include the pages. All the background pages that I do use, you can order them from me from Stampin' Up. And what I'm going to do is if I use a stamp set or a specialty paper that you have to order, if you order that stuff from me and I give you the hostess code, and if you order from me, then I will knock $5 off the kit. So then the kit becomes $10 plus it includes shipping. So I'm going to have all these details over on my blog, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me through there. I have all my information. You can leave comments and stuff there. Also, because I cannot send stamped images, so there will not be stamped images. Now, not everything is stamped images, so you don't have to worry about that. Here in a minute, I'm going to show you some of my work that I've done here for my local girls that come and scrapbook with me and buy these kits and do this with me. I'm going to show you some of the work so you can see kind of what you would be getting in a monthly kit from me. As of right now, I'm going to offer, because I do a scrapbooking class, I'm going to offer a kit. It's a simpler end of the kits to just get this started with you guys. I'm going to offer the kit, and it's going to start on the 19th of February until March 2nd. You have that from that time, that's 2 weeks, to sign up and pay. You can sign up at any time, but it has to be paid for by March 2nd. And if you want to order the stamp, you can order the stamps and the supplies that you need ahead of time. I'll have a list of that stuff down underneath the post. And if you go on and if you order any of those supplies from me, you will receive the $5 off your kit. So that's why I'm giving you to the 2nd to go and purchase it. And I'll have my information under the post with all this of where you would pay for your kit. You'll probably pay me personally for your kit through PayPal. So I think that's everything. If I missed anything that's important pertaining to this, I will have it in the description box where I post the scrapbooking kits. So this is just for my online girls that order this stuff, and I will ship that to them. This is not for my local customers that come to my scrapbooking class. That is a whole different class, and we do things differently. So just to let you know, this is just if you want to order them online from me. So let me get started in showing you some of the work and how I do it. So for this one, in this case, I used a background, and all my kits come as a 2-page layout like this for 12 by 12. I'm just going to show you. I'm trying to get you, let me see if I zoom out a little, if it will help. Oh, that helps a little bit. Okay, so for an example, you would get all these punch outs. What um what number they wanted, because it was a birthday and it was 13 today. So I did this. I still haven't put the pictures in for my daughter. She turned 13 and now she's getting ready. No, she's 14. She's turning 15 here in August. I really better get busy. But it says 13 today, and then this is a Stampin' Up image. So like this one here and this one here, we're Stampin' Up images. I will give you the paper to stamp them, but you would have to buy the stamps. Use something you have. If you have something already in your stash or stock or whatever, use that. You know, if you want the same exact way that I do it, then you will have to purchase the stamp set. This was a very big hit and a lot of fun. We did Y'mores and we made this out, and now this I did on my Cricut, and after I put these, stamped these down, I hand cut around them to make it just look more of a shadow behind it. So that's what I did with that. And then this was the other page that goes with it. Here's another one that I did. Let me see. How did this one go? I think it went, yeah, it went like this. And over here, I even, well, you can't see this side yet, but like this was a stamped image and these were stamped images. So you could either use what you wanted or you would have to purchase some. These were stamped images. But on this side, I left it so either you could journal or you could put some smaller photos and journal also. So that was just a fun way of doing the card or the kit. Okay, here's one where we went to the zoo. Well, we did the zoo. And here I used all the different stamped images. So you would get the paper but not the images. And this would not be one because these are retired, but if I was to use, I would try to keep it all current stuff too. Here's one I did. This says Winter Memories. Let me see down here. We stamped Winter Memories. And then I did Burr and Coco, and then I used some stuff to a stamped image. I don't think this was Stampin' Up, but Stampin' Up has something similar to this, so this could be something that I could redo and do it. And then you have the little punch-out critter character there. So that is something. The one that I'm offering up right now that I said that you had to order, you had to place your order between February 19th and March 2nd is, and sign up, is this one right here. And this design, I saw somebody else had done this design, and my ladies liked it. So I thought for my first one, I would just offer this design so that way we can get it, you know, get my feet wet to see how this works. This is a whole new territory for me going out there, ladies. I really am trying to boost up my business, and this is just a whole new area, and so I wanted to offer scrapbooking. I love to scrapbooking, and so this is just a fun way to do it. So this would be a type of thing where everything would come in the kit with you. There's no stamped images on this, so everything, you'd get everything you need except for the black paper. The black 12 by 12 paper you would not get. You would get the black paper that goes around the mats, but you will not get the black 12 by 12 paper. And these, I have a bunch of them. I can't guarantee that everyone's going to get a bow. Everyone's going to get a, you know, because it's a pack of paper that you get a bunch in. More than likely, a lot of people will get the bow, but I can't guarantee that. It's however many. I mean, if I get maybe 50 people, that's wishful thinking, would be wonderful, but you never know. Then it's random. So you can't like pick your paper pertaining to that. So this is one that we're doing at my workshop in February, but I'm offering it to you guys for March's class. And when they come to my February class, they get to choose one or both kits. It's whatever that they want to do. And this is the other kit that I'm going to offer to them. And this one says Wild by Nature. And this stamp set is the it's not the Hodgepodge, it's, what's it called? Oh, We Must Celebrate. So, yeah, We Must Celebrate. It's the little character animals. Let me get it down. It's with this kit right here. And I did this Wild by Nature. And I put all this different stuff in there. And so this is a kit. Oh, and I also used the little raccoons from the Hedgehog, which I forgot that I did that. So I used 2 stamp sets on here, which is rare. I don't usually do that. So, but I can't see why some of those other ones wouldn't work in here. The raccoon would work here, and the other squirrel or whatever would work over here. Some mushrooms would work there. So you can always change things up and use what you have if you have stuff in your stash. But I'm really looking forward to this new adventure that I'm trying to do, and I'm trying to come out there and offer this to you guys. So how it would work right now is that you have from March 19th, or from February 19th till March 2nd to order the kit, and pay by then. And then once it's paid and ordered, and that's 2 weeks for you guys to do that. And then I'm going to take 2 weeks. So I'm going to take from the 3rd, I think it's to the 14th of March. So that's 2 weeks for me. And then I will ship. That'll give me 2 weeks to prep, get everything cut, packaged, and shipped out for you guys. So I hope this works out. And I really, really hope that you guys will support me and that you will order the kits, and will have you on my online scrapbooking family. So I just wanted to stop in and tell you what I'm doing, and I really appreciate all your support and everything. And if you want to know more information about this, you can go to my blog at bonniescreativeplace.blogspot.com. I'll have it linked in the description box below, and click over there, and I will have this posted so that you guys can read all the detail and all the information on how this is going to work, and I'll tell you where to sign up over there. I'm thinking that I'm going to have you sign up in a Facebook page. If you don't have Facebook and you want to sign up, you can message me. I don't want to leave anybody out because they don't have Facebook. So if you don't have Facebook and you want to join, just message me and I'll put you on my handwritten list. So I don't want to make anybody get Facebook, and I don't want anybody to be left out. So, but I am going to have an event page over there that you guys can go and sign up to it over there, and then that way I'll know, you know, if you're going to participate or not, and that's how it's going to work. So again, the first one is going to be this one. I'm going to call it Happy Birthday. So this is going to be the first kit that I will send out in March to all my online out in the world friends. So I hope that you guys will order the kit and stop over there and check everything out. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye-bye.